I'm Sadie from South Africa.
Eating everything at once. It's like I am in different countries at the same time, and I am inside, and it feels like I'm outside. I don't know how to explain this, but I like it. Hey guys, welcome to Mundo Rosa. Welcome to my world. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and really share this with your friends. So yeah, I'm currently in Johannesburg, South Africa, and I am about to meet up with a friend. We are going to Monte Casino. Yeah, you guys will get to see more of what that's about. So she really just wanted us to like do something fun, and that's what we are about to do. So kindly take this as, let's say, activities to do when you are in Johannesburg or Josie. So yeah, without further ado, come with me.
And ANC Secretary General.
Hi, you want to introduce yourself?
I am. Let me start. I can't.
Why
I'm a
not?
weirdo.
And
Who am I? Who do you know me as? I joke. I'm Sadie from South Africa.
Sadie from South
With
Africa
Rosa
with moi.
from Angola. And yeah, man, we're having a great time.
Great time. We're linking up at Monte Casino.
Ese es Monte Casino.
Oh, at Monte.
Estamos.
Eh?
Estamos es Monte.
Estamos em Monte.
Rico Monte.
And we're just gonna go walk around, show the scenery and everything, and then bowling. Whatever.
Okay,
I
cool.
suck
I'm
at it.
amazing at it, jokes.
Oh, that's no. I actually suck. I
really
actually
also
suck.
Like, luckily I don't have my nails on
Me too.
because it
What?
would have been a.
What are the odds? No. So yeah.
Let's go have
Okay,
fun.
let's go. Ow.
I told you. Come here. Do you want to run in the middle?
The next thing. Oh, look. Got it. Girl.
Owen, I love you get the most. I wouldn't be too long in there.
Wait, does it also get water in the middle?
No, yeah. Just keep going. The lights keep moving. Hey.
It's like that. So we're inside and it looks like we're outside. Like it literally looks outside.
What is it giving?
It's giving everything at once. It's like I am in different countries at the same time, and I am inside, and it feels like I'm outside. I don't know how to explain this, but I like it.
Wait, keep running, keep going straight. I know you're gonna love that.
License market on Monday and the lower 18th, national sponsored gambling program, $0800 T's and C's apply. All games are fixed on
It's a radio station. Okay.
looks like it's daytime. Here we are.
Have fun with it though.
I mean, I'm here. Why is it me again? What's happening? I am losing horribly, but it's nothing new under the sun, right?
How do you feel? How do you feel? How do you feel?
Yeah. It's tough, but we push.
Sometimes they will last. Only some people last. You show your last chance.
This is the last chance. This is the last chance, then I'm finished.
I'm not more playing. She's never playing because it's the last round. Let's go. I'm never playing. She can do it. She can do it. She can do it. She can do it. Yay! A win is a win.
I'm still losing, but a win is a
A
win.
win is a win.
Get it! It was fun.
Bowling, cause we ballers.
She won. She set me up.
Oh no, I'm joking. I really don't know how to play. I won by luck. By luck, by chance.
And I lost because I suck at it. It's nothing new under the sun. But you know what? It was fun. I had fun, and at the end of the day, that's all that matters. So now we off to get some Mexican food. Tacos. Oh, burritos. Which way?
You said you came that way, so that way.
Don't forget.
Oh my gosh.
Just very quick. No, it's hot. I'm about to have burrito. It's been years, guys. Years. And I'm so excited. My mouth is literally watering. It's not even a joke. So, it's still hot. Oh, wow.
Oh no, you know when she dances, it's good. It's so